So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 449 for stories sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And for us to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after naman yun guys, dito piliin natin yung number 5 which is yung giga/araw-araw. So type natin yung number 5 and then send. And ayan guys, dito naman ang piliin natin is yung number 1. So type natin yung number 1 which is yung giga and then send. And dito naman guys, piliin na natin yung Triple Data Plus. So nasa number is 3 siya, kaya ang itatype natin is number 3 and then send. So dito guys, piliin na natin yung number 2, yung stories. So Triple Data Plus stories. So type number 2 and then send. And ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang dyan yung 449. So nasa number 3, meron siyang 12 gigabytes for 30 days for only 449. So itatype lang natin guys yung number 3 and then send. So ayan guys, sabi dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Triple Data Plus 449 for stories, makakakuha tayo ng total of 12 gigabytes. Plus meron pa siyang 1 gigabytes para sa stories araw-araw sa TikTok and more. So a total of 30 gigabytes yun guys, yung additional plus only calls and text, valid na siya for 30 days. So for only 449 lang. So para ma-subscribe guys, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So ayan guys, dito naman is i-continue lang natin. Type natin yung number 1 and then send. So ayun lang guys, kung na lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 449 for stories sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.